3 wrong ways of stretching dough. This is what's going to be. If I have too much flour in here like this, and first off, once I put the sauce on it, it's going to look pasty. And then it's going to be, when the pizza comes out, it's going to be like white flour. Who wants to eat flour, you know? I'm going to do like this to just get it off. Other bad stretch is if we stretch such that the center is thin. And this happens when we stretch it and we stay really focused in the center. This hurts just looking at it. Look at it. When the center is this thin, when we stretch it, I'm physically hurting just doing this right now. You see, the center is thin and the edges are thick. And that's why when we stretch dough, we want to always stay focused on the edges, not the center. When we stretch dough, we're further out. So I'm going to actually turn this into a supreme pizza to demonstrate, you know, why does this matter? Why does this matter to the customer and why it matters to us? Let's assess this poorly stretched. As you see, clearly everything is dipped into there. All the toppings are kind of going really topped in the center, it seems, but that's just the basics of physics. This is really blown. And sometimes our customers complain that it's just too crusty, but part of that is because the center is very thin. Now, let me show you the side effect of this. This is what's going to happen to a customer when they go and grab this slice. As you see, first off, it will not hold because it's just everything is going to fall off. It's so hot right now. Right? Everything is going to fall off. The center is so thin. You see, like you can almost see through. This is like a paper thin scenario. This is not a crust. That's a paper. And nobody likes to eat paper. This is a bad way of stretch.